In the vibrant world of Instagram Reels, standing out amidst the flood of creativity is vital. To boost your chances of going viral, implementing strategic tricks can make a monumental difference. First and foremost, leverage trending sounds and music. By tapping into what's currently popular, you bring a piece of the cultural zeitgeist into your content. Start by exploring the Reels tab and identifying the audio clips that are hot right now. Not only does this increase relatability, but it also boosts engagement, drawing viewers in with familiar tunes. Next, focus on your thumbnails. A catchy thumbnail can mean the difference between a scroll past and a click-through. Put thought into the visuals of the first frame of your reel as well, ensuring the imagery is enticing and inviting. This is your opportunity to capture attention immediately, igniting curiosity and encouraging viewers to watch the whole piece. Following this, aim for brevity. Short and snappy reels, ideally around 15-30 seconds long, hold viewers' attention better and deliver your message with impact. Streamlined content ensures that your audience remains engaged, wanting to see what comes next. Hashtags and captions are your allies in this journey. Incorporate a mix of broadly popular and niche hashtags to cultivate a wider audience reach. Captions can also guide interaction, enticing viewers with questions or calls to action. To further enhance understanding, employ text overlays strategically throughout your reel. This caters to viewers watching without sound, ensuring your message remains clear and compelling. Engage your audience directly by encouraging likes, comments, and shares, prompting them to connect emotionally with your content. Consistency is another key factor. Posting regularly, especially during peak activity times like evenings and weekends, paves the way for steady growth in followers. Consider collaborations with fellow creators to tap into new audiences, enriching your visibility. Reveal behind-the-scenes glimpses of your creative process to form authentic connections with your viewers. Additionally, participating in trending challenges and formats keeps your content fresh and relevant, showing audiences that you are engaged with current topics. Finally, utilize Instagram analytics to refine your strategy. Study which reels perform best and adapt your content accordingly. Authenticity is your greatest asset, so share elements of your unique personality and style. As you implement these hidden tricks and tips, be prepared for experimentation as each audience is unique. With dedication and creativity, you will enhance the visibility of your reels and boost your chances of achieving viral success.